headed to FTR Banquet. Woo! Let's go. We're in FTR Banquet. Here we go, everybody. We're hopefully going to eat some delicious food, meet some delicious people.
Delicious food.
How you doing?
Wristband, brother.
Nice.
Hey,
Now,
Jamie, I need my wristband.
cool shirt you got, man.
If the items in your garage are worth more than your house, you might race FTR. Listen, if you've ever caused drama on the Facebook page, you might race FTR, all right? Hey guys, thanks so much for being here. We're gonna have a great time celebrating your victories tonight. But our fearless leader, the one who puts this all together, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together, Miss Darlene Riggs.
Okay, what can we say about these ladies and gentlemen? They are the backbone of FTR. They say it's not the years in your life, but the life in your years. And these people are full of life. This group's camaraderie and love of the sport of off-road racing is what Florida Trail Riders is all about. They pack up their gear every week or so, they head to a race somewhere, they join their friends and competitors, they go out and race. They share their victories, tell war stories of the day, and pack up and go home. But in all reality, what they are doing for these many years is making longtime friends and lifetime members. FTR has approximately 166 members that are 65 years or older. 62 of those members are over 70 years old. We have 41 members who have been members of FTR for more than 25 years. These are the people who have made us who we are today. Florida Trail Riders is more than an off-road racing organization. We are family. We love to ride, we love our quads, we love our bikes. Tonight we're here to recognize the accomplishments of many of our riders. But before we begin, I would like a few words, or we would, from our president, who was a longtime member of the Old Timers Club, Mr. Randy Fall.
Thank you, Darlene. How about them old guys on the screen, huh? That's some good stuff. There's a lot of work that goes on behind the scenes with this operation, and it's just incredible the volunteers we have back here. So let's give all them volunteers a round of applause for putting this together. That being said, and thank y'all for volunteering the clubs and everybody else that gets involved with our events and everything. We've even had companies come forward and offer assistance and help. And speaking of companies, we have a great opportunity here with Freedom Cleaning Solutions, FCS. They have stepped up and they're going to help with the Pee-wee program this year. Austin, where you at? Austin LaSure, where you at, son? I recognize someone who's been around for 50 years, my life. My wife, right there, too. This lady has been around since I started racing motocross back in the 70s. I met her on a horse down the Orange Grove on a dirt bike. She was on her horse. And we fell in love, we got married, and we've been together ever since. And she's been involved in everything I do. And it's all been motorcycles. So, thank you for everything. Thank you all so much for your support.
They've given me a couple minutes to stall. Dangerous game they're playing, I promise you. I got a few more one-liners here. Listen, if the tan lines wash off at the end of the day because they're actually dust, you might race FTR. This is a dangerous one. If you ever put ice cold beer in your Camelback, you might race quads. I knew that one would get half the room. Don't worry, I'm equal opportunist. If you've ever cried about the quad ruts, you might race dirt bikes, right? Right? Yeah, all right. I knew I'd have a few fans in the room. All right, we ready to go? Okay. I told you it was a dangerous game. All right, here we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, our Pee Wee A class. In 5th place, Jackson Motosicki. In 3rd place, Sebastian LeBlanc Jr. In 2nd place, Moises Pita. And our Pee Wee A champion is actually over in France, representing Team USA, going into the final day, Mr. Hudson Bach. Moises, 2nd place on the year, a great year for you. You started off with a win, and so it's going really well. Talk about your season.
It was a really fun season. I love these races. It was so fun. And I was racing. It's so fun. I just love it.
Ladies and gentlemen, give your Pee Wee A champions a round of applause.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Pee Wee B riders, just outside the top 10, Kate Hendry, Forrest Goldfish, Gabriella Regard. In 10th place, the 38 machine of Mason Mast. In 7th was Carter McAfee. On the podium, in 3rd, Malachi Clark. In 2nd, Mason Moraine. And your Pee Wee B champion, Lyle Crocodile Well, congratulations, Lyle, on a great season. Who would you like to thank?
My mom, my dad, and my brother.
Ladies and gentlemen, your Pee Wee B champion. Bryson Taylor, Jacob Dietz, Coulter Splain, Emma Costain, Bristol Culbertson, Easton Thompson, Michael Wiggum, Perry Smith, Reed Meeks, Caden Mantle, Ansley Edwards, Levi Moody, Thomas Gray, Dawson Moraine, Connor Moore, Michael Show, Carson Springer, and Michael Baird. Now we're to the top 10. Now we're to the top 10. We're on top 10. Dylan Lees, Jackson Withrow, Josie Motosicki. In 7th, Wyatt Boyette. 6th, Mia Pita. Nicola Lamar Bender. In 5th, Davis. In 2nd place, Jackson Bloomquist. And your Pee Wee C champion, Reed Crispo. Here, set this down here so we can see that glorious mullet. Awesome. Reed, great season for you. Who would you like to thank, bud? Give him a hand, our Pee Wee State champion. All right, now for our Pee Wee beginners. In 9th, Lily Donovan. In 7th, Thorsten Bloomquist. In 6th, Grayson Hackey. 5th, David Ortega. In 4th, Eliza Clark. In 3rd, Colton Davis. In 2nd, Elliot Sylvester. And your Pee Wee beginner champion, Luca. Who would you like to thank? Alright, now it's time for our quad Pee Wee A. In 3rd place, Samuel Shannon. In 2nd, Colton Lawson. And your Pee Wee A champion, Amaya Reyes. Congratulations, Amaya. Who would you like to thank? All right, ladies and gentlemen, your Pee Wee A quad champion. In 9th place, Dawson Johnson. In 8th, Carter O'Brien. In 7th, Cecilia Shannon. In 6th, Caleb Stewart. In 5th, Mackenzie Johnson. In 4th, Juliana Trainer. In 3rd, Jovenel Rodriguez. And a tie for the win, but your champion will go to Corbett Vaughn. Good job, man. Put that thing right here so we can talk to you for a second. Corbett, congratulations on the championship. Who would you like to thank? All right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Corbett and your quad Pee Wee champion.
They're bigger than they are.
Correct. Now it's time for our quad super Pee Wee A. In 2nd place, Stephen Reyes. And your quad super Pee Wee A champion, Dylan Roy. All right, Dylan, great job on your season. Who would you like to thank, buddy? Awesome job, Dylan. Put your hands together for these Pee Wee A champions. Fokker, Daniel Ortega, Connor Gutez, TJ Bookmark, Bryson Stewart, Leighton Leach, Anthony Schneider, Nicola Polacek, Lily Gutierrez, Abigail Lindstrom. In 2nd place, Avery Naruto. And your quad super Pee Wee champion, Chris Paul. gonna be good. This is gonna be really good. Okay, let's do both of them. All right, moving right along here. 65A class in third place, Noah Donnelly. In second, James Klein Jr. And your 65A champion, Mikey I tell you what, your future's so bright you gotta wear sunglasses. Hey, who would you like to thank for this championship?
My mom and dad and my sister Laura for cheering me on and bringing me to the races, and my trainer Jeremy.
Awesome. Give him a hand. Mikey O'Donnell, your 65A champion. All right, 65B class. In fifth, Bodie Watkins. Actually, a tie for fifth with Eric Arakas. In fourth, Moises Pita. In third, Justin Taylor. And again, your 65B champion was Hudson Bott, but he is over in France racing for America. So, all right, we will talk to Justin. Justin, you weren't expecting this, but congratulations, third place, great season for you. Who would you like to thank? All right, J-Rob. Ladies and gentlemen, your 65B class champion. All right, our 65C class in fourth, Michael Jones. In third, Jackson Motorcycle. And a tie for the championship, the 69 machine of Sebastian LaPorte. Tie for the 939 of Jan Rodriguez. All right, congratulations. Hey, who would you like to thank for your championship?
My mom.
All right. Sebastian, you got a great championship as well. Who would you like to thank?
My dad, my sister, my grandpa, my brother.
Congratulations to our PBC champions. All right, in fifth place, Maya Splay. In fourth place, Ava Costain. In third, Parker Burns. In second, Sahaley Bloomquist. And your 65 girls champion, Julietta Congratulations, Julietta. Who would you like to thank?
My mom, my dad, my sisters.
Eva.
All right, congratulations, our 65 girls champion. All right, mini A class, with a tie for second, Evan Watkins and Gage Strong. And your mini A champion, Lesson All right, Landon, another championship for you. Who would you like to thank?
My mom, my dad, my little brother, Walker's family, and their family, and just everybody that helped out.
Awesome. Give him a hand. Our mini A champion. All right, mini B class. In fourth place, David Dugray. In third, Marek Drazen. In second, Lillian Dunama. And in third, Luis All right, man, congratulations on your championship. Who would you like to thank?
I'd like to thank my mom, my dad, Central Florida Power Sports, Factory Connection, my little brother Moy, Alex Luger, all my friends, FTR, God
In fourth, Kyle Baker. In second, Dylan Dad. And your PBC champion, all right, Bo, congratulations on the championship. Who would you like to thank?
My dad, my brother, my team, Kenyon Racing, O'Neill,
You got it, buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, Bo's Coffee, your PBC champion, or excuse me, mini team champion. All right, here we go. Our mini girls champions. All right, Maria Valeria. In fourth, Martina Barrera. In third, Emma Burns. In second, Soleil Vaughn. And your mini girls champion, say your last name. A great job, Elena. Who would you like to thank?
I'd like to thank John, Motorsport Lane, Mimi, FTR, Racing, Central Power Sports, WGS, Guts Racing, Factory Steve, Papa Lily, Mom Coffee, Skylar Miller, Clint, and Clint Dakota, Alex Robert, Training Academy, Steve McHale, and 747 Microphone.
All right, put your hands together for Elena and our mini girls champion. All right, ladies and gentlemen, our junior A class in second, Shane Watkins. And our junior A champion, Tyler Levan. All right, Tyler, congrats on a great year. Who would you like to thank?
I would first like to thank Shane right here for just letting me go by when he gets too tired out there on the track. And then, you know, ride with me sometimes here and there, but it's a fun season getting to ride with this guy. And besides that, I'd just like to thank my family. I love you all, and it was a great year. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. I could have used you when they were telling me to stall. Appreciate the help. Congratulations to our junior A champion. You guys know we race dirt bikes, right? What is going on with these here? All right, ladies and gentlemen, our junior C class. In fourth, Tucker Bird. In second, Tanner Milliken. And your junior C champion, Ashton Hoyle. All right, Ashton, congratulations. Who would you like to thank?
Thank my mom, my dad, my sister, my homie Jose, and my little cousins, and everybody at school who went to me.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, put it together for your junior C class. Third, Houston.
Only Lion.
In second, Elizabeth Bernard. And our junior girls champion, Lucia all right, congratulations, Lucia. Who would you like to thank?
The director of my family, Bruce Racing, Patrick Action, Landon Lynn, Gary Racing,
All right. Great job, Lucia, and all of our junior girls. All right, now for our quad junior class. In third, Ivana Pena. In second, Braxton Emerson. And your quad junior champion, Landon White. In fourth, Gage Strong. In third, Elena Muldoon. In second, Louis Pita Jr. Your Enduro Schoolboy champion, Sebastian. In third place, Luis Martinez. And in third, the Senior B champion, Luis. Give it up for John and your senior Enduro Senior A. In third place, Mikey Jones. And in second place, Jamie Vicky. All right, Jamie, most good for your night. So, awesome. Second, who'd you like to hear? Hey, ladies and gentlemen, your senior A. All right, Enduro Senior B. Enduro Senior B in third, Patrick White. And your Senior B champion for the second time, Lewis. Superman, you gotta change it. Congratulations. How was your Enduro season this year?
Thank you so much for my invitation to life. All my friends, I
Champion in Enduro John Schultz. Yeah, John, we were just talking about logistics. This would be a lot easier if you were winning so much. But congratulations, you got on the Enduro. Give it up for our senior C champion.
In fifth place, we have Frank Gambrell. In third place, we have J.D. Brown. In third place, we have Jason Fowler. In sixth, we have Chris Morgan. And then our third senior champion for the Gary Meredith. Gary, I think you can run this up and down as I've been alive. I don't know how you do it. What would you like to say?
I'd like to thank my family, C-Concepts, TF Racing, and safety team, everything they have.
There we go. Give it up for our Evolution Senior.
It might be close to
Next up, we have our finish class with our champion, Michael Wickham. Congratulations, Michael. Who would you like to thank about the video?
I'd love to thank my wife and all of our race family that's always there to support us and camp with us, and it's been a great
Fourth place, Kurt Lucas. I know he's here somewhere. Apparently, he didn't have any kind of trophy. In third place, we have Jorge Garcia. And then a tie for our plus 30 champion between Spencer St. John and Bobby Hill. Spencer must have been a dog by the years and ended up with a tie in the championship. Who would you like to thank for the year?
Thank my family, my brothers for always helping me pay for all of this. I'm a leech in the family.
Awesome. Give it up for our plus 30. Fourth place, we have Levan. Third place, we have Cordes. Second place, we have Jablon. And then first place, we have Luis Silva. Congratulations to you, Levan.
My family, my friends, George, and Leandro, thank you.
Congratulations, give it up for Vet C.
Waiting for our second kid in a couple of weeks. My daughter, the best fan, the biggest fan, and my friends, everybody, especially also the volunteers and Enduros, they make those possible, and I love those, so I had a great year, so thank you everybody.
I'd like to thank all FTR, everybody that let us race on these tracks, and I'd like to thank my foundation, that's all the employees racing, and all the guys that are racing.
There we go, give it up for our quad vet class. Next up, we have our electric bikes class. In fifth place, we have Michael Jones. Fourth place, we have Emmanuel Hedlow. In second place, we have Kenyon Racing. And then our electric bike champion, Sean Ward. Sean, sounds like you have some fans here. Who would you like to thank for helping you?
Well, big thanks to Mark Baroni. He built an awesome bike, and it's just a testament of what these bikes can do. So big thanks to Mark, I owe it all to him, and yeah, can't wait until this year.
Awesome, there we go. Give it up for our electric class. If we could please get through Kate to line up backstage. And now we're going to bring up Brandon. In third place, we have Emma Chambers. In second place, we have Danny Barnes. And our Paris Scramble Women's A champion, Holly Laker. Congratulations, another Jack College. Who would you like to thank?
I would like to thank Josh, and all my best friends, my parents, Randy, Kevin Fulton, and Jablon.
There we go. Give it up for our women's A class. In fifth place, we have Kate Dowdy. And we have Elise Clark. And in first place, we have our women's champion, Diana. Congratulations, Diana. Who would you like to thank?
Thanks to my family, my friends, my cousins, my kids, everything.
There we go. Give it up for our women's speed class. All right. Next up, we have our next triple women's C. In fifth place, we have Lorena Stinson. In third place, we have a tie. Gina Folletti and Mariana Allman. In second place, we have Alexandra Stin. And our next triple women's champion, Julia. Julia, congratulations. Who would you like to thank?
I'd like to thank my family, my dad, I live here, taught me everything about racing. My mom, my sister, my brother are always supporting me. I want to thank the clubs, all the workers, you guys put on great races, and I love racing with you ladies, they're amazing, we had so much fun, so thank you.
There we go. Give it up for our women's seat. Here's our women's vet class. In fifth place, we have Jenny Lamb. In third place, we have Stephanie Levan.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, my sweet sisters, my son, Lucas, Moises, Mia, my husband, mi mamá que siempre ha estado también conmigo apoyándome. Thank you, everybody, my family, FTR. This season was very difficult because I broke my ligament and I can't ski. I am here and I have very young.
Quad women's vet. In second place, we have Leah Schaefer. And then our quad women's vet champion, Kelly Lando. Congratulations, Kelly. Who would you like to thank?
I'm going to thank my parents, Rob and Pam McAfee, for supporting me the last 2 seasons.
There we go. Give it up for our quad women's vet class.
Hey, Mom.
Wait.
Next up, we have our quad women's master. In third place, we have Christina Dowdy. And then our quad women's master champion, Dawn was fighting. Congratulations, Dawn. Who would you like to thank?
I'd like to thank my husband, Raymond Swaggy. If it wasn't for him, I would never
Jeff, I don't think you need to do that top stuff to be talking about, but I'm not have to handle this. Who would you like to thank?
Thank my wife and all the clubs that put on the race so we can spend money.
There we go. Give it up for our Masters A class. Next up, we have our Masters. In 5th place, we have John Dawson. In 4th place, we have Daniel Burton. And then it's tied for 2nd place between Robert Kenny and Lloyd Smith. And then our Fairfield Masters E champion, Levan. Congratulations, Jay. Who would you like to thank?
FTR for putting on these awesome events. All my crew riding buddies, they got me from beginner to A class in 5 seasons, and my best friend and lovely wife, Andrew.
Get the shirt. There we go. Give it up for our Master B class.
In 3rd place, Jablon. Super Senior B champion, William
This one's got quite a bit. Big Scrub Trail Riders, Lake Butler, Florida. Oh, we got another one. River City Dirt Riders right there. Honey, Florida. Still think the Big Scrub's taking the lead though. What else we got? Mary Martin. Florida Shepherd Club. Oh, we've got a little bit. Daytona Dirt Bike Riders from Harlem Beach. No. Oh, the Lake Butler is definitely killing it right there. Oh wait, oh, nope, never mind. We got Dade City. Dade City was awesome. I love Dade City. So, you know what? Suncoast, Brooksville. Woo, that one was pretty fun. That one is definitely taking the lead right there. This one has a lot of little pebbles on it. That one has a bunch of big pebbles, so let's see, the Tracer Coast Trail Riders in Indiantown, Florida. Sounds pretty cool. That's got quite a bit. Hands-down, Punta Gorda is winning this race. Punta Gorda track is pretty cool.